Hello everyone, this is Greenie from Tycorun. Welcome back to our channel. So you may have noticed that there are different battery swapping cabinets with different connections. Have you ever curious about what exactly the difference is between them? Don't worry, in this video I will walk you through all the key differences. Generally, for battery swapping cabinets, there are two connections, soft connections and hard connections. So let's get started. So first of all, we will show you some of our real product example to explain to you what exactly the hard connection and what is the soft connection. And as you can see, here are two of our battery products here. So this one is the soft connection and this one is the hard connection. You can see the interface of the hard connection. Actually, it is wireless and it's located at the bottom of the battery. So when you swap in the battery, you need to push the battery inside the battery slot to make it plug in to start in the charging. And for the soft connection, actually the interface is at the top of the battery, as you can see, and it needs to be connected with the charging cable. So when swapping the battery, you just need to place it into the battery slot and to connect the charging cable to make it charging. Now that we have a basic understanding, so let's talk about the detailed comparison of pros and cons of these two connection ways. So we will look at two perspectives. First of all, for the operators like you in front of the screens. For the soft connections, the material cost for the soft connection interface is more cheap and is more durable. And the meantime, for hard connections, actually for the material cost of the hard connection interface is more expensive, and because the interface is located at the bottom of the battery, so it tends to come into contact with the ground, so make it more prone to tear and wear. So generally, the hard connection has the higher maintenance frequency and higher maintenance cost. Additionally, for the soft connection, it's more flexible and it can be used in any battery specifications. And meanwhile, for the hard connections, because the hard connection interface is a part of the battery button, and also for the battery swapping slot is designed to fit the specific battery size. So the hard connection cannot be used like any battery specification. It can only be used for the standard product. So if you want to use the hard connection in other battery specifications, so you need to spend more time and cost for development because the battery need to be remolded. For the food delivery drivers, the hard connection, it offers the faster battery swapping experience. And for the soft connections, of course, it's not far behind. So to help you better understanding their differences during the real battery swapping process. Nextly, we will show you the swapping process of these two connection ways at the same time to help you to better compare. So you can see that there isn't much differences in the battery swapping process between these two. Lastly, based on our 5 years industry experience and the real-world cases serving the global clients, we recommend you to choose the soft connection because it's more durable and it has lower maintenance cost and it's more flexible. So it will help you to deploy your battery swapping network quickly. So that's all about this video. Thank you for watching.